Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook. Today, I will show you how to make mint chutney. Here are the ingredients. At first, separate the mint leaves from the stems. Then in a blender or a grinder, depending on what you'd like to use, put in the mint leaves, washed cilantro, you'll notice here I'm breaking the stems into two for faster grinding or mincing. Now add the garlic, minced or whole ginger, one chili, black salt, lemon juice, salt to taste, and yogurt. Now blend until it's nice and smooth. You can open it up and check once in a while, or make sure you can push down all the mixture so it blends in or grinds in. You want to have a really smooth, creamy texture. Now pour it into a dish. No, wait a minute. Or a bowl. That's not working either. Sorry, I thought I actually had a lot, but it looks like it's fit enough for 2 to 3 people. So let's try the smaller dish and pour it into it and see how it looks. And remember, if you're making it for a lot more people, just double or triple the same recipe. This is the most easiest one you can make, guys, because it doesn't require cooking at all. It's all fresh and minty. Doesn't this look so yummy? It has such a nice, refreshing taste to enjoy. You can eat it just like that or with snacks like, do you remember the potato tikki? And I added the tamarind chutney. Now the mint chutney is the other one that was missing. So here it is, guys. Now you know you can make your chutneys with any type of snacks, and in the future there'll be more to come, but enjoy it as much as my family has. And please don't forget to let me know how it was and if there's anything else you want me to focus on. Until then, enjoy, have fun, and see you next time. Bye bye.